Okay, y'all, I'm out here in Goldsboro, North Carolina. We on our way to Daisy Dukes at Busco Beach. I got 3 bikes with me. Mind y'all, I got e-bikes. So 3 bikes I brought is my Yosma, my NextV, and my Tudio. It's time for the torture test. We gonna see if they can withstand the trails. If you've been to Busco Beach, you know she is not no game. So let's see how they do. Okay, y'all, we just got into the park. Right now I'm on the NextV. Y'all know the first thing that I do wherever I get to the track, wherever I'm at, always gotta get some food. So we about to go off, see what vendors are here, see what it is to eat. Let's ride. It is so dusty out here, and my goggles are tinted, so if I put them on, I can't see. But the dust is real. All right, y'all, we done got outside. Friends done pulled up, so we gonna start riding. I'm on the NextV. We gonna see if she can withstand these trails. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. All right, y'all, we lost our friends, but it's okay. We just gonna freestyle for a little bit till we catch back up with them. Okay, y'all, that was the first little ride around. We done lost our group, but so far the NextV doing pretty good, and it's my first time out here on a dirt bike. So you know, I'm learning myself how to power through, like with the sand and stuff, because if you know, it's some deep sand out here, loose sand, powder sand. But yeah, I'm finna call our group, see where they at, but we done lost them. Yeah, we done met us a new friend. You want to say hey? Yeah. We out here in the side by side. He gonna take us for a little ride.
We gonna get redneck, right?